Penguins are some of the most beloved and intriguing creatures on Earth. Known for their tuxedo-like black and white feathers and endearing waddles, these flightless birds have captured the hearts of people around the world. Beneath their charming exterior lies a fascinating story of adaptation, survival, and resilience. Penguins are far more than just cute animals. They are highly specialized creatures that thrive in some of the harshest environments on the planet. One of the most striking features of penguins is their inability to fly. Unlike most birds, penguins have evolved in such a way that they've given up flight entirely in favor of life in the water. The wings have transformed into powerful flippers, perfectly adapted for swimming. Penguins are incredibly skilled swimmers, able to glide through the water with remarkable speed and agility. Some species, such as the emperor penguin, can dive to depths of over 500 meters, about 1,640 feet, in search of food. Their movement in the water is often compared to flying through the ocean, as they use their flippers to fly underwater, just as a bird would soar through the sky. Although penguins are most commonly associated with the icy landscapes of Antarctica, they are found in a variety of environments around the world. Not all penguins are confined to cold climates. The Galapagos penguin, for instance, lives near the equator, where temperatures can be much warmer. This surprising diversity in habitat shows just how adaptable penguins are to different environments. Whether they're navigating the freezing waters of the Southern Ocean or surviving the milder conditions of the Galapagos Islands, penguins have found ways to thrive in a range of ecosystems. There are 18 recognized species of penguins, each with unique characteristics and behaviors. The little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest of all, standing only around 16 inches tall and weighing just 2 pounds. Contrast, the emperor penguin is the largest, reaching a height of up to 4 feet and weighing as much as 90 pounds. Despite their differences in size, all penguin species share certain traits, such as their highly social nature. Penguins are often found living in large colonies that can number in the tens of thousands. These colonies offer protection from predators, provide warmth in freezing conditions, and create a strong sense of community among the birds. Penguins are also known for their remarkable parenting skills. In many penguin species, both the male and female share responsibility for raising their chicks. In the case of the emperor penguin, the male takes on the unique task of incubating the egg during the harsh Antarctic winter. After the female lays her egg, she leaves the male to care for it while she heads off to sea to feed. The male keeps the egg warm by balancing it on his feet, sheltered under a flap of skin. Once the chick hatches, both parents take turns caring for and feeding it, ensuring that the young penguin is well nourished and protected. Despite their many adaptations and strengths, penguins face significant threats to their survival, most of which are linked to human activity. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges penguins face today. As global temperatures rise, sea ice, the essential breeding ground for species like the emperor penguin, is melting. This forces penguins to find new locations for breeding, which may not be as safe or conducive to raising their young. As ocean temperatures change, many of the fish and krill that penguins rely on are becoming less abundant, making it harder for them to find enough food. In addition to climate change, overfishing is a significant threat to penguins. Many penguin species depend on fish, squid, and other marine life for nourishment, but human fishing activities are depleting these populations. Overfishing reduces the available food for penguins, making it even more difficult for them to survive. Pollution, especially plastic waste, also poses a growing threat to penguin populations. To ensure the survival of penguins and protect their habitats, concerted conservation efforts are needed. These initiatives are crucial for protecting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and ensuring that penguins continue to thrive in the wild. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help secure a future for these remarkable birds.